If your Garmin device has already paired with your phone, but you still cannot receive smart notifications, please follow the steps. Step 1. Set up the notification access. Enter Settings. Search Notification Access. Turn on the smart notification of Garmin Connect. Step 2. Turn on the app's notification permission. Enter Settings. Select Apps. Select Connect. Select Permissions. Turn on the app permissions. Step 3. Turn on the notification on the app. Open the Garmin Connect app. Enter the menu. Select Settings. Select Notifications. Select App Notifications. Turn on the app notifications that you'd like to receive. Step 4. Check the settings on your device. First, enter the phone option in the settings. Make sure the smart notification status is on. Go to System in the Settings menu. Turn off Do Not Disturb option. After you finish all the settings, your watch can now receive notifications from your phone.